Hello, I'm Priyanka Agarwal. Welcomes you all to our channel A to Z Softech. Here you will get educational videos related to NCERT subjects and technical subjects based on computer science. If you find our videos helpful to you, so please like and share the videos. Do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get updates about new videos. To get more clarity on the topic, please watch the video till the end. Feel free to post your queries in the comment section below the video. You will get the link of data related to the video in the description box. You can find our video using hashtag NCERT by Priyanka ma'am or hashtag NCERT A to Z Softech. Now let's start with the topic.
Hello, greetings to all. Today we will study about agriculture. Chapter 4, Class 10th Geography. So let's start. Contents. In this chapter we will study about what is agriculture, types of farming, cropping seasons, different types of crops, and also creative farms. Agriculture. Agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume. Besides food grains, it also produces raw material for various industries. Modern agriculture. Agriculture for decades had been associated with the production of basic food crops. At present, agriculture besides farming includes forestry, fruit cultivation, dairy, poultry, mushroom, and also beekeeping. Today, marketing, processing, distribution of agricultural products, etc. are all accepted as a part of modern agriculture. Thus, agriculture may be defined as the production, processing, marketing, and distribution of crops and livestock products, that is modern agriculture. Our next heading is types of farming. So farming is divided into 4 parts, that is primitive subsistence farming, second intensive subsistence farming, third one is commercial farming, and the fourth one is plantation farming. So let's understand all these types of farming one by one. So the first type of farming is primitive subsistence farming. This is practiced in small plots of land with simple tools. The farming depends upon monsoon and also climate conditions. It is also called slash and burn cultivation. Under this farming, land productivity is low because farmers don't use fertilizers and other modern inputs. Output of subsistence farming is used for the survival of the farmer's family. So, second type of farming is intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in area of high population pressure on land. It is labor-intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. There is massive pressure on agricultural land. Third one is commercial farming. In this type of farming, higher doses of modern inputs like HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides are used in order to obtain higher productivity. Amount of human labor is very less. Also, most of the work is done by machines. The degree of commercialization varies from region to region. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Punjab and Haryana, but in Orissa it is a subsistence crop. So here are first part, and so keep learning and stay safe. Thank you. Hello, greetings to all. Today we are going to start part 2 of chapter 4 class 10th geography, that is agriculture. So let's start. So the fourth type of farming is plantation farming. It is a type of a commercial farming. It has an interface of agriculture and industry. Further, it is done on a large area of land using capital intensive input with the help of migrant laborers. Output of this farming used as raw material in industries like apple, tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, banana, cotton, etc. Now, our next topic is cropping season. Due to physical diversities and variety of cultures in India, there are various types of food and fiber crops, vegetables, fruits and spices, etc. are grown in Indian agricultural land. India has mainly 3 cropping seasons, but they are Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Rabi crops sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Also, important crops of this season are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. States such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Western Uttar Pradesh are main Rabi crop producing states. Second is Kharif crops, sown with the beginning of monsoon in different parts of the country and harvested in September to October. Important crops are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Some of the most important rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal region of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The third type of crop is Zaid crops. Zaid season is a short season between the Rabi and Kharif seasons during the summer months. Crops produced are watermelon, muskmelon, vegetables and fodder crops. This is all about types of crops. Now we will study about major crops of India. First one is rice. It is a main food crop of the people in India. India is the second largest producer in the world after China. Rice is a Kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. Also, in the areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. Grown in the plains of north and southeastern India, coastal areas and the deltaic regions. Canal irrigation and tube wells made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. Second crop is wheat. It is second most important crop of India. Wheat is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. It requires cool growing season and bright sunshine. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. Important wheat growing zones are Ganga Satluj Plain and Black Soil region in Deccan. Major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Here are second part and so keep learning and stay safe. Thank you. Hello, welcome all. Today we are going to start our third part of chapter 4 class 10th geography, that is agriculture. So let's start. Next is pulses. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Also, major pulses grown in India are tur, that we called arhar, then urad, moong, peas and gram. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Major pulse producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Next, sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. India is the second largest producer after Brazil. Main output are sugar and jaggery from sugarcane. Major sugar producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Next is tea. It is an example of plantation crop. It's an important beverage crop introduced in India by British. Tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates. Also, tea bushes require warm and moist-free climate throughout the year. Tea requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. Major tea producing states are Assam, Hills of Darjeeling, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. India is the leading producer as well as exporter of tea in the world. Next is coffee. India produces about 4% of the world's coffee. Indian coffee is known in the world for its good quality. Its cultivation is limited to the Nilgiri in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Next type of crop is horticulture crops. Horticulture crops cover production of fruits and vegetables. India is a producer of tropical as well as temperate fruits. India produces about 13% of the world's vegetables. Also, fruits produced in India are in great demand not only in India but also in foreign countries. Next is fiber crops. Cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are the four major fiber crops grown in India. The first three are derived from the crops grown in the soil. Silk is obtained from cocoons of silkworm fed on green leaves, especially mulberry. Raising of silkworm for the production of the silk fiber is known as sericulture. So here our third part of this chapter ends. So keep learning and stay safe. Thank you all. Hello, greetings to all. Today we will start our part 4, chapter 4 of class 10th geography, that is agriculture. So let's start. Next crop is cotton. It is one of the main raw material for cotton textile industry. India is the third largest producer of cotton in the world. Cotton grows well in drier parts of black soil of Deccan Plateau. Also, it requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for growth. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh are major cotton producing states. Next is rubber. It requires moist and humid climate. It is an important industrial raw material. It is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Our next topic is food security. In order to ensure availability of food to the all sections of society, our government carefully designed a national food security system. It consists of two components. They are buffer stock and public distribution system or PDS. PDS is a program which provides food grains and other essential commodities at subsidized prices in rural and urban areas. The primary objective of this policy is to ensure food grains to common people at affordable prices. FCI, or we can say Food Corporation of India, procures and stocks food grains, whereas distribution is ensured by PDS. Steps taken by government in agricultural reform. In 1980s and 1990s, a comprehensive land development program was initiated which include both institutional and technical reforms. Provisions for crop insurance against mishaps, establishment of Gramin banks, cooperative societies and bank for providing loan facilities to the farmers at lower rates of interest were some steps taken by the government. Kisan Credit Card, that is KCC, Personal Accident Insurance Scheme PAIS, are some other schemes introduced by the Government of India for the benefit of the farmer. Moreover, special weather reports and agriculture programs for farmers were introduced on the radio and television. The government also announces minimum support price, remunerative and procurement prices for important crop to check the exploitation of farmers by speculators and middlemen. So these are some steps taken by our government in the favor of farmer. So here our chapter ends. So keep learning and stay safe. Thank you all.